If you started this wonderful idea, you have only one competitor, and that's it. It is an extremely enjoyable idea and it gets extremely high views. The CPM of this idea is about $4 for every 1,000 views. See the list of YouTube ideas. Find your favorite idea and let's get started. Today's idea is to take care of flowers and plants. We plant a plant in a container very easily and we take a video from the engineer, and then after about 2 weeks when it grows we take it out of the container and place it in a soil. And we also take a video of this process. We combine the first video and we can go to the full video to see an example of this idea and see this extremely high income of $21,000 of these channels. Well, you have seen the idea. It's not a difficult task. Your only question is that making a video on this topic will take at least 2 weeks. But I have a great solution for you. That is, you can grow about 10 to 50 different plants such as cucumbers in one day, plant eggplant, onion, flowers in different containers, and take the initial video and after 2 weeks plant 50 plants and continue your video and combine them. In this way you will have 15 video in 2 weeks and ever combine this process again. One key thing to say in this matter is to copy your thumbnails from other people's popular videos and put them on your YouTube video. For example, your plant is cucumber. Go find a popular cucumber video and download its thumbnail and put it on your video. Try to upload a video every 2 days. You can upload the same 15 videos in a month and also upload 2 or 3 short videos every week to improve the growth of your channel. Well, if you have any question, ask them in the comments so that I can answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Bye.